In this video, you'll learn how to add a billing method in Google Ads in just a few minutes, so you can start running your campaigns and pay for your ads without any interruptions. First, open your browser and go to ads.google.com. Sign into your Google Ads account, then click on the Tools and Settings icon in the top right corner of your dashboard to open the menu. Next, under the Billing section, click on Settings. This is where you'll manage your payment methods, billing information, and any tax details related to your Google Ads account from one organized place. Now, click Add Payment Method. Google Ads will let you choose between different options like credit card, debit card, bank account, or other regional payment methods, depending on the country your account is registered in. After that, fill in your payment details carefully. Enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Make sure all the information matches the records of your bank to avoid any issues during processing. Once you've added your payment method, set it as the primary one or as a backup. Save your changes, and Google Ads will use this method to charge you automatically based on your selected billing settings. And that's it. Your billing method is now added in Google Ads, and you're ready to launch and run your campaigns smoothly.